We got 1K subscribers in 4 days. 1K subscribers in 4 days. Just 4 days, 1,000 plus subscribers. Like 1,000 right now. I think he's on 1,800 and something subscribers. Jesus Christ. Where are you people? You guys are just the best. I've been speechless since yesterday. Like, I've been speechless. Even on my live stream, I was like, what kind of love is this? The love is massive. The love is great. Now, so una love vibe with Sonia. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me stand on this YouTube street. And we did not only get 1,000 subscribers plus. That first video I posted hit 7,000 views. 7,000 views. I remember how I started on YouTube. I remember how I struggled to get just my first 1,000 subscribers. Just my first 1,000 subscribers was a whole lot of struggle for me. It took me 6 months to monetize on YouTube. In just 4 days, I've gotten over 1,000 subscribers. Like, when I look at it, I be like, Jesus Christ, you guys are amazing. Oh. You guys are amazing. I'm going to film a video about my channel blocking. I said blocking, my channel deleting from YouTube platform. Like, everything you guys need to know, I'm going to film a video about it. But I told myself that vibe with Sonia, if you don't come here and tell these people thank you, it simply means you're ungrateful. Guys, words fail me, but I just want to say thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much, guys, for being amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for engagement. That video did not only even get 7,000 views. I forgot to mention. It got a lot of engagement. That video alone has gotten over 100 and something watch hour. Ha! Ooh. See the way I'm dressed. Like, I've just been lying down. And I just stood up. I'd be like, no. I just need to say thank you to you guys. You guys made me proud. You guys made me happy. You guys made me feel so loved. I have some of my friends calling me, and my friends be like, Jesus, Sonia, you have a community. You have a community. See, as you to just delete your channel in less than how many days we just announced to your community. See what they happen. They don't give you over 1,000. They don't watch. They watch the videos. They share the videos. Some persons even come to my comment section. Person tell me that I subscribe with my 4 account. I subscribe with my other account. Like, guys, thank you. My knees are on the floor. Where do I place this camera? Thank you so much. Thank you for loving me. Camera, can you please stay where? Stay where for me, please. You just need to stay where. You don't have a choice than to stay where. Thank you so much, guys, for loving me. My knees are on the floor for you guys. Thank you. I love and appreciate you guys. I love you guys from the depth of my heart. I am a nobody on this YouTube street without you guys. Without you guys, who am I? I'm a nobody. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone sharing the video. Thank you to everyone supporting. Thank you to thank you so much for loving me. Anyways, I'm going to the market. I just said I should come and tell you guys thank you, that you guys are amazing, that you guys are the best, that you guys are everything. And yes, if you've not subscribe, like, comment, and share. And with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to say bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Let the love keep spreading. Don't only spread this love to vibe with Sonia. Spread this love as well to your family, your friends. Spread this love to also some of the YouTubers here. Spread this love to people that also need subscribers. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.